I'm back. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Last week, we talked about social isolation and the negative effects that can have on both the body and the mind, especially in our senior population. And Indiana has officially placed a stay at home order. So now more than ever, we need to make sure that we're staying on top of combating social isolation and boredom. In an effort to keep our seniors mentally active, I have put together an Amazon wish list that has a ton of different ideas of how we can support our seniors in their home, whether they're still at their home or in an assisted living setting or even in a skilled nursing setting. The list has everything from crossword puzzles to word searches, adult coloring books, puzzles, stationery, pens, pencils, things that they can use to write letters to their loved ones and their families. And this is all in an effort to make it easy for you to feel like you can give back to your community. So how this works. Check out the list. I'll make sure the link is included. If you see anything that you would like to donate, go ahead and click check out. It will be delivered to our office location where it will be quarantined for the recommended 48 to 72 hours, at which point we will then go out and deliver the items to different seniors in our community. So again, this is a way for us to be able to continue to engage our seniors in the community without affecting their health and making sure that we're continuing to protect them and keep them in our thoughts during this time. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Like I said, I'll make sure the Amazon wish list link is included in this post. Thanks, guys.